Hi guys, this is one of the most common question I get from everyone, whether should I repeat or not. Should I repeat, wait for a better college next year, or I should take the average college this year? This chart will make you understand everything about that, why people take 2 to 3 years ka break to wait for a top college, why it makes sense to invest years and years for that top college. So this is one of the top IIMs Calcutta average package of 2020 I'm talking about. Now, average salary of a band C college, I've given the list of colleges in cetking.com/top. You can check out the list of colleges, cetking.com/top. You'll find the list of all the colleges. But here we're talking about the top college. Yep. In band C, average salary is touching around 10 to 12 lakhs. Yeah, band C, average salary is 10 to 12 lakhs. Okay. At IIM Calcutta, average package this year is 27.9 lakhs, almost 28 lakhs, which is almost 2.5 times the package of an average B school. Yeah. If you do well there, top 75% of the batch is getting a package of 30 lakhs. Top 50% of the batch, 34 lakhs. If you go to IIM Calcutta and perform good in the just be in the top half, you are getting 3 times more package. 10 lakh package कमाने वाले को 36 कमाने में it will take him almost 10 years, if not more. Yeah. Further down, 48 lakh का package to top 15% of the batch. Top 10% of the batch is 54 का package. Top 5% 65 lakh का package. Yeah. More than an average Indian earn or save in till retirement you are earning per year. This is obviously CTC in hand thoda kam aayega. Let it be 25% less, but still it's a huge package. Yeah, we are talking about. Alright, so this is why people wait for 2 to 3 years to get in the top B school. Okay, now for example, 2012, I'm talking about 10 years ago, average package of the IIMs were around 12 lakhs. IIMs, Jamnal Bajaj, FMS, all the top 20 B schools, average package was 12 lakh. Those who are going to pass out now, you're going to do your MBA in 2020 suppose, you'll pass out in 2022. 2022, if you do your MBA from band CDE college, you're getting a package of 12 lakhs. Same package. Arey, best ho gaya. I'm earning my salary at par with the guy from IIM Ahmedabad. But this is 2012. Here we're talking about 2022. You're 10 years behind the guy from IIM Ahmedabad. Why? Because you scored less marks. Yeah, this is my main point to make you understand. Now let's look at what is the difference between the two people so that the gap is 10 years ka gap. A band CDE guy have got 85 percentile. This is a quant section ka breakup only. He got 10 marks in quant. Yeah, because he got 10 marks in quant, he got 85 percentile. Same way verbal DI, other areas as well. So because of that, he's going there. And IIM grad is getting 99 percentile, got 20 question correct. Double. If I put double the effort from today, yeah, in every section, double. What are you studying? Make it double. You can, once you reach there, it's a 10 years ka gap. Those who are studying 2 hours every day, you can easily study 3-4 hours every day. Yeah, so that I can increase my hard work, so that I can make it to the top college, so that I can earn that kind of a package which is offered here. Yeah, so this is, there are other reasons as well why you need top quality profile. Lot of things come into picture. Obviously yaar, jo paisa dega wo kaam bhi acha dega. The company which is offering 65 lakh ka package, obviously the profile will be much better than offered by the 30 lakh wala package. Yeah, this 30 lakh wala package will be any day better than this 12 lakh wala package. So every college have a different profile for various companies. So that's why everyone target. This is my request to target top college only. This is a live example in front of you. All I have to do there is to be in the top 5 to 10% of the batch. Yeah, all the best. So at CET, we're launching this program which includes books, mock, shortcuts for CAT and other exams. In case you want to join us, in the description box I gave you the link where you can join our program. Alright, all the best.